So we are now on the train heading on to Osaka, and we got on a very, very special train, as you can probably tell just behind my neck. Anyway, so we're now off. We've got an adventure-packed day. We're going to the palace, going to the Sky building. What else are we doing? Checking into the hotel. Oh yeah, we're going for soufflé pancakes. We haven't done that so far. And we are going to go to another sushi place. And another Pokemon Center. Anyway, we'll show you all soon. So we've already spent an hour and 39 minutes in here. Probably spent about an hour and 38 minutes of that looking at these, comparing them all, weighing them, you know, just the usual. Still in the same shop. We've been in here so long that a little boy came up to me and said, "Look, there's Merlin," because I'm so grey now. Randomly a zoo adventure. All different zoo animals in the cafe. So both Kyoto Station and also Osaka seem to have like these mall complexes around the actual stations themselves.
Absolutely huge.
Like our hotel is part of this mall as well. It goes up 26 floors. Bonkers. What's just arrived?
We are in a Happy Pancake in Osaka, and they are soufflé pancakes. And I got the strawberry and white chocolate. So yummy!
I've gone for the tiramisu. I thought we'd actually show you what it looks like. This is the tiramisu sauce, which I've smelled, and it is literally a shot of espresso. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yum.
And then we also ordered this. Wow. Yeah, I did. Wow. And also, we found out why, haven't we, about the female carriages. Do you explain?
Yeah, because there's so many people riding the metro, and apparently there's a lot of sexual harassment.
Just because the trains are so crowded and it was easier to get away with it.
Yeah, so it makes sense that they have them, but it's a shame.
Yeah. Do you want to talk us about where we are?
We're in Osaka, Shinsaibashi. And we have lots of second-hand shops here with watches, bags, camera bits. So we're just having a wander down here and seeing what we find.
So all of this line of shops, a lot of these are actually second-hand stores, like this one here. Wu's been doing her damage. She's already bought a flipping Chanel and a Dior. Honestly, oh stubs. Anyway, I would recommend this for all your second-hand needs. It's got fairly good prices, but definitely go and have a look in more than one, as they do end up being quite competitive with one another. I thought we're done with it, but no, it's grown. It keeps going. Honestly, the Japanese love shopping. It still keeps going at the other end. It's now 35 minutes past 5, and I think, well, we started this about 1:30. It's 4 hours of going through these. So this one, she's addicted to shopping. Me, I'm just quietly suffering, but not that quietly. So we are now leaving the Namba Centre, and we're heading towards Kurakura again.
Sushi, not Kurakura.
Yeah, sorry, why do I keep calling it Kurakura?
I don't know, but tell
Kura Sushi. Oh, there's another karaoke place down there. Honestly, these tunnels are endless.
We're going left.
I like to be a B-roll. You're a B-roll. So this little cheeky chappy is right close to the edge. So I'm going to try and just knock it.
Get it.
Just complete cop-out, honestly. Woo's turn. Rocket Woo! Go on, go again. This is us for dinner tonight. More sushi. Sashimi.
Fried chicken cottage. I bet they have takoyaki.
Do you want takoyaki?
Should we get one? You'll like it.
What is it?
The octopus thing.
Oh,
Octopus balls.
your order was her. Thank you.
And then...
These are octopus. Oh, shrimp tempura. After last night, I'm a fan. Do you want the tuna roll as well?
No, I've got the tuna radish roll. Thank you.
I'm hoping to get the tuna one that we have in this place. Do you think I'll have the salad one again?
Hopefully. I don't think I can have any of them, so I won't have any. Steamed egg custard.
Shrimp broccoli salad.
Oh, the broccoli. Would you have the shrimp?
I could do. I'm looking at the gorgeous crab sushi.
I suppose it doesn't even really matter because it's only 190 yen. Yeah, there's the broccoli. Takoyaki with these flakes on the top that move.
Oh, do you want the cucumber rolls? So this is one of the octopus balls.
Takoyaki? Takoyaki. Are they nice? Yeah, we ordered a lot of sushi.
That is flipping good. Told you Osaka Station was big. Darling, where have I brought you?
You brought me to another Pokemon Center.
Please lead the way.
I'll try, I don't know where it is.
I think we go to the end here, turn left, this looks promising. Pokemon Center Osaka. Does look like, oh no, that's a Nintendo store. Whereas this is the Pokemon Center. I assume that means this was the 25th Pokemon Center. Here she goes. Ellen loves Animal Crossing. Cutting through the station / mall at the moment in an effort to get to the Sky building.
And that's where we're going. There are thousands of frogs and they're making all of this noise. Oh look! How weird. Oh wow, I've never seen anything like this. Yeah, it's too dark, but I mean you can hear them. This is so weird.